What's new for 2026? This year is marked by a mid-cycle refresh for the electrified G80, and although we've only seen the Korean market version of the car, we expect similar changes for the U.S. market car. In addition to styling changes to the front and rear ends, the electrified G80 has been stretched to provide more rear seat legroom. Genesis says the wheelbase is 5.1 inches longer than the 2025 model, so the changes inside will be noticeable. The sedan also receives an updated infotainment system, which swaps last year's 14.5-inch touchscreen for a larger 27.0-inch unit that stretches two-thirds of the dashboard and incorporates a digital gauge display. Genesis hasn't said if there will be any changes to the car's powertrain, but the extra wheelbase could mean the company has dropped in a bigger battery to improve range. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Squeezing the battery pack into the G80 led to some minor changes inside the cabin that are not obvious in photos. For instance, headroom is reduced slightly in both the front and rear seats. Taller riders will notice the headliner is a bit too close to the top of their head. Trunk space also shrinks by 2 cubic feet. Still, the interior is a sweet place to spend time, with a posh-looking design and premium materials throughout. The electrified G80 comes decked out with soft leather upholstery and attractive wood trim. Infotainment and connectivity. A wide 27.0-inch touchscreen sprouts from the top of the dashboard and acts as the hub for the electrified G80's infotainment system and gauges. The display is manipulated via a circular controller on the center console, as well as buttons on the steering wheel and voice commands. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are both standard, as is a powerful Lexicon audio system.